Gold and silver both have shown a good swing, dropping with the Asia and Europe session and rising later with the US cash session. Now, what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Just stick to the levels, just trade as per the levels, and definitely you will profit. If it is a buy entry, you should buy. If it is a sell entry, you should sell. That's it. Very simple. Now, let's see what are those key levels. Before that, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do note down the level. Now, see on the hourly charts, gold is showing you a reversal indication here, and that is why it is important now. 1775. Beyond this, yes, you should buy. Till the time it trades below 1775, I will not recommend you to take a long entry on gold. Yes, it has filled the gap yesterday, and now it is trading comfortably here. And yes, 1765 is the level which is where we had seen earlier stronger resistance. Now you can sell below 1765 and expect it to drop for 1760, 1755 levels. In between 1765 to 1775, do not take any position. Directional movement here is moderately bullish and the stochastic is oversold. So on the hourly chart, there is a possibility for it to show you a little rise again. But the MACD is crossing over for a bearish move. This is again on the sell side. RSI is trading comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts closely. You will find, see, this is the channel in which it is trading. And see these highs, suddenly the slope has changed and it is failing to go past. So there is a squeeze which is possible, and 1760 level should be a very good support for the day, below which certainly more bearishness may kick in, and you may find gold hitting 1750 levels, and in fact it can drop for 1740 and below levels. Hence, very clear, do not trade between 1765 and 75, and below 1760 more bearishness to kick in. That is very clear. Above 1775 still 1780, 1785 levels are the pivot numbers, and then in fact, as I shared in my weekly analysis, 1800 is going to be the critical resistance for this week. Possibly it may try to hit those levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic trading at the high is now looking downwards. So mixed indication on the hourly and 2-hour charts. On the stochastic part of the indicators, see the MACD is bearish still, it is looking downwards. The RSI is trading near to the high. Look at the 3-hour charts on gold. Here also I am looking at a reversal indication here. You can find out, see this, it is showing you a reversal here, and that is why these levels are important. Possibly the next candle when it starts, it may give you a red candle taking it till towards 1767, 65 levels, and in fact it can drop till towards 60-55 zone. Now on the hourly charts, if you look closely, see higher lows are seen, and though higher highs are seen, this time the slope has changed considerably, indicating that the bulls are not very much interested to take it further up, and hence a possible drop cannot be denied. The MACD is convergent here, the stochastic is overbought, and the MACD is divergent and bearish. That was the direction movement there. The RSI is trading still near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, now look at the movement there. Consolidation, sharp bullish move, consolidation, a smaller bullish move, and indicating that the bulls are not now interested to. So I'll wait for it to break past 1775 zone. Certainly above this you can expect little more bullish movement, which I don't expect it to continue with. Probably there is an expectation that breaking below 1760 you can expect a good drop for 1750, 40, and then it may erase the level, erase the gains. So you have to be cautious here on the upside. Directional movement moderately bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic is trading near to the highs. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. See, this crossover has taken at the highs, and this crossover may sustain on the bearish side. My expectation for it to sustain the bearish momentum, my expectation that it can give you a little bit of a stretch bearish movement for gold here. The RSI is trading near to the highs. And now when you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here and see the previous candle, a wick and a sharp tail. It indicated that the downward push is there. That is why it has achieved the highs, and now there is a probability that it can form double top or a little stretch levels at around 1777 1780 levels at max, and even from those levels it can push again on the downside, and higher lows can be expected. It means 1755 and then 1777 levels. So these are the levels in which we may see gold trading in. Below 1750, yes, that is the level below which it may show you more bearishness, and then my target is 1740 1720 levels. So you have to be cautious. Sell at 1765. Expect 1760, 1755, 57 zone to be the stronger support, and then 1750 levels will come into picture. Below that it is going to drop heavily on the downside. On the upside, 1775 till 1781, 1780 zone, you have to be very alert. Beyond that only we can see some extreme bullishness. So buy at 75, sell at 65. Very clear here. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this year is going to start on 28th of November. Join this batch and begin your new year with confidence, with full of strategies for you to make profit day on day. Reach out to me for more details. If you go to the About tab in my channel homepage, you will find in the channel description my email IDs and my Telegram IDs. Also, if you want to be part of my Signals group where you can gather thousands and thousands of points and pips on daily basis, you can join the Signals channel as well. Reach out on the same address for Signals detail as well. Now let's have a look at silver. The silver on the hourly chart, see these two peak and these two peak considerably. The slope has changed, indicated that the bulls are not there to take it further highs. Also look at the lows there. 2120 levels certainly provided it a very strong support there. Now it is gone till towards 2200. It in fact crossed 22 levels. Now trying to look upwards. Yes, any sell entry today is below 2180 levels. Below 2180 you can take a sell position and then expect 2170, 2160. 2160 is a major support, then 2140. So yes, there are major supports at every 20 cents. 2160, 40, 20 and then 2100. So possibility exists that it may show you a little drop. If it trades below 2180, you can take a sell entry. At the same time, above this zone at 2210, you can buy there and expect it to rise. Till the time it trades between 2210 and 2180, I will not recommend you to take any position for gold today. Almost 30 cents you have to give away. Now look at the directional movement, moderately bullish. The stochastic is trading at the bottom on the hourly chart. There is a possibility for it to rise. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, now look at the 2-hour charts. Consolidation rise, consolidation rise, consolidation rise. And this time it is almost fairly achieved the double top and literally higher highs than the previous high. Possibly now it is looking forward to little retracement. See the symmetry here. And symmetry indicates that once it drops below 2180, there could be possible drop for 2160, 40. 2150 is a very good support and 2140 is a very good support. These two levels are very important. 2140 to 60, you can say this zone is very important. This 20 cents in trading below 2140, you can expect 2120, 2100. Below 2100, we are going to look forward to a sharper drop. Till the time it trades about 2100 and 2200 zone, you have to be careful. These are long-term resistance zones. Breaking and sustaining above 2200, certainly more bullish momentum is expected in near future, as what we had shared in my weekly analysis, that once it falls into this zone and sustains in this zone, that is 2200, above 2200, you can expect that the next target is 2400 for silver. The directional movement you can find out is moderately bullish. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge here. It is in green. The RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, look at the 3-hour charts here. See, it is always coming back to the 20 period moving average. It tried to dip below 20 period moving average on the 3-hour charts, but it is trying to sustain. And look, it is trying to form a curve like this. Possibility exists that we may see it trading with a slightly bearish bias. Till the time it trades below 2210, possibility of it to drop a little exists. The directional movement is bullish. It is trying to convert. The stochastic is overbought and possibility of fall. Like the MACD has crossed over. This is bullish here. This crossover is happening at the comfortable zone. Possibly once again, if it crosses over for a sell entry, it may continue to trade bearish from there. The RSI is trading near to the highs, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see what it is trying to form is this, and any breakout above this zone will certainly be considered as a bullish breakout. You need to be cautious of this. If it breaks out beyond this zone at 2220, you can consider that this is giving you a bullish breakout. At the same time, the support there now at 2150 is strong, 2140 is strong. These two support levels must be respected if it has to trade bullish, else we are looking forward to this zone. We are looking forward to this movement, and then the classical drop might follow later. You have to be very much cautious and vigilant here. Now look at the directional movement, moderately bullish. The stochastic is trading overbought on the 4-hour charts, and the MACD is again crossing over for a bullish entry. The RSI is trading near to the highs, and look at the daily charts. Now see the daily charts, you will find first it is given a breakout beyond 2100. Second, it is trading near to the highs here, and yes, beyond that certainly more bullish momentum to follow. Now look at the daily charts here. See double bottom, double top, trying to trade within this box. Any movement beyond 2210, 2220 zones should be considered a breakout, and then it can give you another bullish breakout candle, taking it till towards 2250 levels, and in fact beyond that is also possible. Yes, you can take a buy position at 2210 and remain long, and sell at 2180 and remain short below that. See, it is extremely divergent and extremely bullish. It must converge from here. The stochastic is overbought here too, and the MACD is now at extremes. Possibility for it to converge, crossover exists. The RSI is overbought. Considering this, you can sell at 2180, buy at 2210. Remember, about 2210, 2220 first target, 2240 second, and 2250 third. Beyond that, we are looking at 2280, 2300 levels. It can achieve those levels in quick movement, maybe 2400 it is looking forward to. If it succeeds about 2200, successfully trades about 2200, in near term we are looking at $24, 2400 levels. Yes, below 2180 you can sell for 2160, 40 and 50 and 40 levels, and below that 2120 and 2100 to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.